Hello everyone, welcome to AGTechTube. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about enabling smooth scrolling in Google Chrome browser. After enabling this feature, all the content in your browser will be scrolled smoothly. So let's go to Google Chrome browser and in address bar type chrome // flags and hit the enter. In the search bar type smooth. So this option is default and you need to enable it for smooth scrolling. So after enabling, you need to relaunch the browser for the changes to take effect. Okay, now the scrolling in Google Chrome will be smoother. So if you want to disable this feature, just disable this and relaunch the browser and the option will be disabled. Thank you for watching the video. I will catch you in the next one.